I'm Pete Ashmore.
I'm Alymann.
I start off by playing Kasim, who is Ali Baba's nasty brother, nasty, horrid brother, who gets quite rightly locked up in the chamber of diamonds and secrets and beautiful and murdered. Yeah, and then a selection of other people. I play Sidi Alymann, which is a great name, awesome, who has the misfortune. In fact, we both
Yeah, exactly the same person.
Yeah.
I'm CD2, you CD1.
Yeah, so that's interesting. We have the same character, and then a prince at the end. Prince.
We obviously look alike.
Yes, we played brothers previously.
Absolutely.
But yeah, that's me.
I play the king, Shafayar. Yes, that's my main part. It's been great. We've had lots of laughs.
Lots of laughs. Yeah.
Lots and lots of laughs.
And the story is really interesting and crazy.
Yeah.
But they all have like a lovely underlying meaning, but it does mean that you laugh quite a lot when you're talking about them. For a start, it's going to be amazing.
I think it's just going to be a riot of stories and music and sounds and colours.
Colour and beauty.
It's just going to be...
That hit me quite hard. Like, it's going to be beautiful.
Absolutely. It's
if you want a good story, come.
Definitely.